Hey guys, this is Renee from Off-leash Canine Training Delaware, and today with me I have Siku. He is a 1-year-old husky that's here with us for a 2-week board and train program. A lot of his issues just consist with pulling on the leash, too much energy at times, just the typical things you can expect from a 1-year-old husky. Whining in the crate, wanting to meet other dogs, not consistent with any commands. The parents just overall want a well reliable dog. So we'll see what he currently knows. Siku, come. Come. He's probably not even in the frame. Siku, come. 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 He made the effort for it. I'm gonna reel him in. Come. Good. Siku, sit. He just tried to mark my wall. Sit. 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 What about place? Siku, place. Siku, place. Place. Completely worried about other dogs. Siku, place. What about down? Down. Siku, down. 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 So as you guys can see, he's just worried about anything and everything except me. Energy's all over the place, and we just kind of want to be able to redirect that energy into something positive, such as obedience, especially with a breed like him and with his age. Gives a lot of potential to be able to make him a great off-leash dog and just make him overall a rock star.
What's up, crazy?
So what made you guys choose off-leash canine training?
We were desperate for some help with training. He was pretty unmanageable, and we needed some help, and we watched other video testimonials on some pretty crazy dogs, and we saw the transformation, and we thought it was worth a shot.
Perfect. How was your day-to-day involvement throughout the 2 weeks?
Renee was amazing. He gave us updates multiple times a day, and we felt like we were a part of the whole process. We got to see the daily updates, and from day 1 to day 14 was just a huge transformation.
It was something the whole family looked forward to every day, getting the updates.
Yep.
Perfect. Would you recommend off-leash canine training to friends and family?
100%. We have told all of our family and shared the updates with them as well, so they have shared in the progress, and they said they are interested in as well. And we have recommended Renee because he did such a great job with Siku here.
Perfect. And then how was Siku previously versus how was the final result overall?
Siku was unmanageable. He would drag me through the yard. He would dart at other animals. He was running away, and already you can see he's sitting here with us, which is something he normally wouldn't ever do.
Alrighty.
Thank you so much for everything you did.
Thank you. I appreciate that. You guys are very welcome.
Yes, we are very happy, and we can't wait to use this every day, day-to-day life.
Perfect.